Choose the right grout. Select a grout that is suitable for the specific tiles and location, e.g. waterproof grout for bathrooms. Ensure the grout color complements the tile design. Apply grout in manageable sections to ensure it doesn't dry out before you can smooth and clean it. This is especially important with hexagon tiles due to their multiple edges. Ensure all gaps between tiles are filled with grout. Missing spots can lead to weak areas and potential water damage. Shape grout lines. After initial cleaning, use a damp sponge or a grout shaping tool to smooth and shape grout lines for a uniform appearance. Rinse the sponge frequently and use a circular motion to avoid heavy traffic. Keep the area free from heavy traffic or moisture until the grout has fully cured. This helps prevent any disturbance to the grout lines.